Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be introducing to you the most exciting instrument in the ensemble, which is the Tenor Marimba. As you can see, it is also made of wood, a wooden frame with metal legs. The keys are also made of kiat, a wood called kiat or mukwa. The difference now is that the keys are now much longer and much wider. That means that the tone also is quite low. Now we're going to move into the function of the tenor marimba in the ensemble. The tenor marimba is the exciting instrument in the ensemble. It plays broken chords and adds color to the song. As I'm going to demonstrate, remember I played In the Jungle on the piccolo, the melody, and then I played chords on the soprano marimba. Now I'm going to play the tenor part. That is the tenor marimba for you. I hope you're going to enjoy learning to play the tenor marimba when you get the opportunity. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.